I bought the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra during a sale, and while I was at it, I purchased the auto pump fill and drain kit accessory, which is the part I'm most excited about. Luckily both came in the mail at the same time, so here I am setting it up. I had to buy the auto drain kit off of AliExpress since it's technically not offered in the US, so the instructions are all in Chinese. But I just took a picture of the instructions and my phone auto-translated it for me. Here I'm unboxing the dryer module, which came with the US electrical socket adapter. They also sent me this random adapter, probably by mistake. The dryer module is meant to power both the dock and the actual tank that comes with this kit, so you're going to see a couple connections here in the back. We'll plug those in here in a second. First I want to unbox the actual Roborock itself. Both the robot and the dock are in here, so this was a fun unboxing. Here's the standard dock that comes with the Roborock. We don't need the water tanks that come with the dock, so we're going to take those out. And here we're going to unbox the tank that comes with the kit. It's going to both fill up fresh water and empty the dirty water. So we're going to prepare it. There's a few rubber pieces in the back that you just have to take out, and then you just pop it right in. Now you're going to want to attach the dryer module. It's really as simple as snapping it right in. Just make sure it's nice and snug. Here we're going to hook up the electrical. This comes from the dryer module, and you're going to plug this cord into the docking station. And then this cord that came with the kit, you're going to pop out that little rubber piece, plug it into the dryer module, and then into the tank. For the plumbing side of things, there's these little pieces on the back. They have plastic bits in them. Just pop those out. The kit provides all the pieces that you need. You're just going to follow the instructions and connect it all together. This is one of the two drain pipes. You'll cut that and then make sure the right side is the same length, and then you'll connect this fitting here. This adapter came with the kit. Here's the fresh water coming into our kitchen sink. And up here is the drain where I plan on running the tube for the dirty water. This hole was already here. This was for the dishwasher. I plan on running through that hole. And that's where I plan on putting the dock. I'll have to drill holes in the wall for the plumbing. But if you wrap around here, you'll see I pulled the dishwasher out, get a better view. And I'll run the plumbing in there through that hole. And there I got that adapter connected. You'll see here I already drilled the holes. Now I'm just running the tubes over underneath the sink. There's a freshwater tube, just make sure you push that into the adapter nice and snug. And there's the tube going into the drain. Once you have everything staged and you find out the length you need, you'll cut the tubes and then you'll just plug them into the dock. You'll take these and fasten all the fittings, and that'll just make sure they don't come loose later on. And here I'm just pushing it up to the wall. It fits nice and snug. It's a really close fit to the wall. It looks really clean. And then I'm just going to plug it into the power before we move on. Now we're going to turn on the fresh water supply. And you can hear it's filling up the tank. And that's about it. With this setup, I don't have to worry about taking out the tanks and either filling it up with fresh water or emptying the dirty water. so it really makes cleaning hands free.